Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Wintrust Bank account online on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Wintrust Bank account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address wintrust.com and hit on enter, and then it'll be redirected to the home page of Wintrust. So let's wait for it to load, and after it loads guys, let's close this for now. In order to log into your Wintrust account over here, you can see the login panel available for us, but before we proceed to enter our user ID, you can see there is the account type for us. Let's click on it, and there is the Wintrust digital banking, investments, asset management, and all of these. And guys, in order to proceed, choose the account type of your Wintrust Bank account. I'll be just going with the Wintrust digital bank, and after choosing your account type guys, enter your user ID over here, and after that enter your password over here which you had registered on Wintrust at the time of creating your account. But guys, if you've forgotten your user ID or your password, you can always reset it or retrieve it from over here. If you click on either of these buttons, or you'll be taken to a page where you'll be able to retrieve your user ID or password depending upon which one you lost. And with that being said guys, after entering your user ID and your password, click on the sign in button over here, and then you'll be logged into your Wintrust Bank account online on your computer. And there guys, this is how to log into your Wintrust Bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.